Dear friends, welcome to the second session of Computer Networking, Introduction to Computer Networking. This is a joint session by Sunil Narula and Dr. Somnath Sinha. We welcome you on this second tutorial. Uh, so the agenda for the day is recap of the first lecture, perspective for network classifications and various network topologies. What are network topologies? It's a physical arrangement and how the message travels from one computer to another based on that. We'll come to that. Recap of video 1. What is computer networking? Computer network is a network consisting of two or more computers which are connected together and they can communicate and share resources. Resources may be hardware, resources may be software. There can be various communication methods between the two. Okay. Then why we need networking? Discussed earlier also, resource sharing is a major criteria. What are the various networking terminologies or what are the various networking terms we have covered? One of them was data rate, always a key issue, node. Any device sending or receiving data on the network is called node. Bandwidth, the rate at which data can travel on the physical media or the pipe. And what are the components of network? Basically three components. End devices are called node, physical media and networking devices like switch, router, hub. All this we have covered in first video. For more details you can refer to that. And what are the various networking devices? Switch, hub, router. All these are working at different layers and have different purpose in the network. For more details, you can refer to the first lecture or we will cover the same afterwards after a few lectures again. So, what's the agenda? How many kind of networks exist? Depends how you classify them. You can classify them based on the physical transmission media. You can classify them based on their sizes. You can classify them on the management method, P2P networking and client server architecture based on the topology. What are the three major topologies? Bus, star, ring. Let's cover one by one. We'll try to cover based on physical media, based on management method in this lecture itself. Now there are two main categories based on the transmission media. What are these two categories? Physical media may be guided, may be unguided. As far as guided and unguided is concerned, not in our syllabus at present, but I will give a brief on guided media because normally it's a physical media which you can see like the cables, twisted pair cables. These may be unshielded or shielded. Coaxial cables and fiber optic cables. These are the various kind of physical media, okay, based to classify your network. For the details of each, I am not covering in this lecture. If required, it's a big topic and we can take that in separate lecture. As far as unguided media is concerned, it's not in its syllabus, so we won't cover that right now. Now comes based on the management, how you manage your network. It can be P2P network or it can be client-server architecture. Why we use P2P network? What a P2P network actually is. When two or more computers are directly connected to each other, this is called P2P network. How you connect directly to computers? You can connect them through LAN cable, cross cable. But everyone has the same responsibility, same rights. Okay. So there is no hierarchy, no administrator, everyone is responsible. Normally suited for 2 or 3 computers. Cost-wise less. What are the advantages of P2P networks? Low cost, simple to configure, user has full accessibility of the computer. Disadvantages: duplication of resources, security policy, and load balancing. Load balancing means one of the computer may be too busy serving all the requests. Okay. Already discussed where P2P network is appropriate. Now comes your client-server architecture. In this, everyone sends a request to a central computer, which is more powerful, which is supposed to be more powerful than all other clients. This central computer is called server. It manages your security, groups, and applications, users. So it has to be performance critical, it has to be reliable. Your server should not crash. That's all for this lecture. Any question? No questions? Thank you. Thanks for watching this. Thank you. We'll see you soon in the